Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm gonna do a DIY daytime running lights installation on my Alfa Romeo GT, so if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. I got this idea because I noticed some condensation collecting inside the indicator, and also this orange part right here has detached. So since I'm gonna have to take the indicator apart anyway, I've decided to do this mod. When it comes to supplies, I don't really need much. All I'm gonna use are these two LED strips. The only bad part about them is that they are not really quality made. These cost maybe like 35 euros for the pair. I'm gonna start by removing the indicator. Now I already removed the vent. If you wanna see how to do that, I'll put the full video in the description below. Now to remove the indicator, you got two metal clips below it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press on them and gently pull the indicator out. Just like that. Now to undo the connector, all we gotta do is pull on this pin. And now it's time to get it open. I'm gonna move on to the LED strips. I'm gonna cut the edges off, pull the LEDs out, and then I'm gonna cut the diffuser as well as the LEDs to the right size. Alright, as you could have seen, I've used the outside part for the measurement, but that doesn't really matter. You can measure it here as well. As you can see, this fits really good, so I'm gonna shorten the LEDs and I'm gonna continue on to the gluing part. As I said, these are cuttable, so I measured them and I'm gonna cut these LEDs right here. Now there is one issue that I have. I gotta hide these wires so they don't get in the way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull these LEDs right here through the back part of the LED diffuser. I'm gonna pull the LEDs on the other side. Alright, so the wires now are in, and I'm gonna pull the LEDs through the top part. Now I'm gonna start gluing the LED strips. I'm gonna use the hot glue, but this one has a bit higher melting point, so it doesn't melt during the hot summer days. When it comes to wiring, I'm gonna use the original bulb holder. I'm gonna take the black and yellow wire. The black is gonna be ground, the yellow is gonna be for the turn signal. I'm gonna put some connectors on them, and I'm essentially gonna connect it to the bulb holder. Now when it comes to red wire, I drilled a little hole right here. This wire is gonna be for the daily running lights, and it's gonna require a separate power. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull all of the wires on the other side. I'm gonna add connectors to them, and I'm gonna continue from there. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. I put some tape over this outer glass to protect it from the sealant. I've decided to use this automotive silicone since it's very resistant. Now to power the white light, which would be the daily running lights, I'm gonna use this slot from the relay from this fuse box right here. And now when the key is in the on position, I'm gonna get 12 volts. I've decided to go for this option since it's required by law to have daily running lights at all times in my country. So essentially what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this piece of wire, power it from the fuse box and protect it by the fuse. I'm gonna run it through the right side and power the daily running light on the right side, and I'm gonna splice the wire which is gonna power the light on the left side. I'm gonna tuck everything in with the already existent wiring. The last thing that I gotta do, I gotta make this wire. I'm gonna start from this small piece right here. This part is going to be plugged into the fuse box. I'm gonna solder this pin right here. The other side is gonna be plugged into the fuse slot. From the fuse, the wire is gonna go from the right side to the right side, as I said, and one wire is gonna be spliced into that wire which is going to power the left side. Lastly, to get rid of the hyperflash, I'm gonna install these resistors right here. Finally, let's check out the end result. We're gonna check out the indicators first. As you can see right here, they came out pretty good. They are actually much brighter than the factory originals. These LEDs are sequential, but since they are cut short, they're not really that noticeable. The daytime running lights came out even better, but camera can't really do them justice since they are really bright and I can't really capture them that good. In the end, I'm more than happy with the results, and as I said, this little project only cost me maybe like 40 euros. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.